Okay, so Bitwave raises $15 million for crypto-focused tax and an accounting platform. Let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The whole mighty dollar today, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, this crypto accounting tax and compliance platform of Bitwave, they raised $15 million in serious funding round led by a blockchain capital, Hack VC, okay? Other venture capital firms, including SignalFire and Valor Equity Partners and others, participate in the round, Bitwave said in the statement. Now look at this here. The funding will be used to launch a product called Bitwave Institutional, which aims to help institutions that custody, trade, and use digital assets to improve process around taxes, accounting, auditing, and reporting. This could be actually not bad. This new product builds directly on top of its current platform, but provides more advanced features such as segregated balance sheet tracking and a proof of liability and reserve publishing. The funding of this funding round provides further evidence of the strength of the technology and speaks on how Bitwave have become a critical piece and infrastructure for businesses that adopt digital assets. That's what the Bitwave COO and co-founder Amy said this. Now, OpenSea, Compound, and Polygon are among crypto companies and protocols that use Bitwave, the company says. That's big time. You got Compound, Polygon, and OpenSea with NFTs. They're already using this technology already. So we can see more of this. Like I said before in other videos, crypto is not going anywhere. It just needs to be not only regulated, but we need to tighten up certain things to make this better for everybody. And this is one of the dominoes that can really make a positive impact down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.